Hey, hello, how are you? So this is our WordPress website. So I want to add a subscriber form in footer here. So I have two options, and my CRM is Mailchimp. You can see. Okay. So my CRM is Mailchimp. So I have two options. One option is Mailchimp embedded form, and another option is from WordPress. So let me show you the first option. For Mailchimp option, I should go to Mailchimp form and then go to embedded form and click here, and this is the form. You can see you can just design it like first name. If you want, you can add it, and you can drag the first name up if you want. So this is not compulsory. You can design everything. You can small the form like 400 pixel. You can. Okay, so let me with 500, and the main option is okay, click the JavaScript option. You can disable the title here. No need title. Okay, then click continue, and here is the code. Just copy the code. So this is our home page. I want to add it here. So let me edit the home page with Elementor. Okay, so Elementor is loading on the footer. Let me go on the footer. This is the option I want to add here. So let me search for HTML tag, HTML option. This is the option. I should drag and click it here and just paste the code. You can see the form already came. Let me update and refresh the page. You can see the Mailchimp form come, but it's not looking professional. So let me show you another way how you can show it professional. So for this, we should add a new plugin. So, so this plugin name, just search for Mailchimp. Okay, you can see the first plugin MC forward WP. So you should just install and activate the plugin. After that, you can see this option in this. And on Mailchimp here, you should add API key, which is very simple. You can just search from Google. So this is the Mailchimp account linked, and this is the audience list. So the main part is the form. So you just need to create a form. So you can see I have a form, footer form. It's easy. Just create a new form. It's very simple. Very simple. So my form have first name, email address. If I want, I can add phone number here. Okay. So there's two options. If you want to add the phone number after the first name, is just cut the code and paste here. So this is the option. Okay, so my form is ready. Let me click save. Okay, so the form is ready, and this is the shortcode. We don't have HTML now, we have shortcode. So this is the option here. So I should add search for shortcode. You can see shortcode. Let me set the form below this. Okay, you see this form looks like odd. So like okay, so let me go to theme. It's all about theme. Let me click light theme. Now they let me show how it will work. So let's see. Okay, the form just come up, right? So if you want, you can just style it like background. You can use background color here. Then it will be visible. So you can do anything. Okay. So so there is too many option here. So if you give some time and you can just design the form and update it. Like this is the outlook, right? So in this form you don't do any design everything. This is will remain same, but in this design you can design any css or any option if you want. I recommend go for this option from WordPress. I hope this video will help you. Thank